Did you know there's a hidden AI goldmine that most entrepreneurs are completely overlooking? In 2025, it's not just about using AI to save time, it's about using it to make serious money. Today, I'm going to show you how to tap into it. We're not just talking about incremental improvements, we're talking about the potential to significantly increase or even triple your income. If you've read my new AI book, The Wolf is at the Door, or my AI marketing blog, which includes the framework I'm about to share with you, you know I deliver tactics that work, right? Well, if you haven't got the free resources yet, rush to hit the link below before we take them down. You see, there is one major reason why people fail to profit using AI. They're essentially using AI blindly without a strategic foundation. It's like trying to build a house without a blueprint. Without understanding what's already working and what's not in your business, you're missing out on AI's real power, data-driven insights. Remember, AI isn't a magic bullet. It's a powerful tool that needs to be directed with precision. By first teaching AI to understand your unique business data, it will have the knowledge to help you identify your most profitable opportunities. This year, you're going to take a completely different approach. You're going to train an AI chat window, in this case, using Google AI Studio, which is free when you use their experimental model, Gemini 1206. You're going to train it to be the top sales and marketing analyst in the world. And this is key. So how do you actually do this? How do you turn Google AI Studio into your own personal profit boosting machine? Here are 3 powerful steps you can take right now today to start tapping into that hidden AI goldmine. Step 1, gather your data to uncover your hidden opportunities. Think of your business data as the map to your hidden goldmine. Every sale, every website click, every email open is a clue. Gather your sales figures, marketing results, website analytics, and customer data. The more data, the better. This is your raw material. Why do this? Because buried within are the secrets to understanding what your customers truly want, which of your marketing efforts are actually working, and where you're leaving money on the table. Without this analysis, you're essentially flying blind, making guesses and missing golden opportunities. Step 2. Ask AI to be your business and marketing analyst to boost profits. Now it's time to teach Google AI Studio to understand your business. Feed the data you've just collected and explain what each piece of data represents. Ask questions like, which product or service has the highest profit margin? Or what are the common traits of my top performing email campaigns? Or why do my sales drop when I send it to a particular landing page? For the full prompts, hit the link below. We're doing this because AI can spot patterns and connections that humans miss. It can analyze vast amounts of information in seconds, revealing insights that would take you weeks or months to uncover on your own. It's like having a top-tier analyst working 24/7 to identify your most profitable opportunities and advise you where to focus your efforts to maximize returns. It takes the guesswork out of growth. Pro tip: it's important to start with simple questions and build from there to help your AI learn, improving its analytical ability. Tackle one aspect at a time. For example, I always recommend to my members to start with their email list because AI can guide you as to what brings in sales and what doesn't. I share how to do this in the guide I've got below. Step 3. It's time to turn your insights into action and claim your gold. This is the fun part. This is where you see your sales and profits grow. Ask your AI more strategic questions like, what are the key trends impacting my sales? Or what specific actions will boost sales next quarter? You could even get it to suggest ways to personalize your marketing to improve results. Think email campaigns, headlines, landing pages, and order forms. You need to implement these recommendations that I've given you and schedule them into your calendar. Test, refine, and repeat. Your AI will become more intelligent and each cycle will produce even stronger insights. It's this continuous feedback loop. It's like having a roadmap that constantly updates itself to guide you to the gold. Take these 3 easy steps today, and if you want the full breakdown on how to do it, hit the link for the free guide, and I'll also shoot you over 2 free chapters from my brand new AI book, The Wolf is at the Door. So you've got everything you need to make this your best year yet.